Hi there, we are going to start week 7. With this week, we're going to start with chapter 30, and this is kind of the beginning of injuries. With chapter 30, it's really important to remember that always check for a 7th character because there's always 7 characters, so that means we could have placeholders too. So with week 7, you're also going to start utilizing those external cause, your activity codes, place of occurrence, and these can be quite difficult. So keep in mind they have everything from getting a rock in your nose, from falling off an airplane. Those are all in our external cause codes. So with this, okay, so I have chapter 30, so we get into injuries. And then after injuries, we get into burns. Burns isn't a real long chapter. It goes pretty smoothly. Just make sure that you listen to my lecture for that. And the very last chapter is going to be chapter 33, which is complications of care. So with that, these are going to be assignment 9 and 10 that will be due this week. There will be a discussion. So if you have any questions for this week, just let me know.